First, it's the wind advisory today. Wind gusts going to be 40+ miles per hour. It's going to be a warm day too, though. So, if you can stand the wind, you still want to get outside today. It's going to be the warmest day that we've had of the calendar year, at least. The warmest day of 2022 so far, and our first 50-degree day today. But the wind advisory goes from 11 this morning till 8 o'clock this evening. Then we're talking about the flood watch. That one starts at 4 in the morning tomorrow, goes until 4 in the afternoon, and then a winter storm watch. So basically, it's warm, windy today. Rain develops tonight, picks up, gets heavy even overnight into tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow we'll see that transition from rain to snow throughout the day. Road conditions are going to get worse as the day goes on Thursday. Today, the roads are going to be just fine. It will be windy, so if you drive, big rigs, high-profile trucks, things like that, then yeah, you got to worry about wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. But otherwise, it's a nice day today. 40 degrees, 9 a.m. It's just going to be windy, and right now it's cold. It's 27 in Detroit, 20 degrees in Ann Arbor. It's still 21 in Adrian, but it's 40 in Jackson and 38 in Monroe. So warmer air is coming in from the south and southwest. Some areas taking a little while to bump the temperature up, but we will be warming up. 40 degrees roughly by 8 a.m. Upper 40s today, about 50 degrees the high. The record is 60, so we're not talking records, but it will be a fairly warm day. It's going to feel nice outside this afternoon, given how cold it's been over the last month. All right, here we go in the Futurecast. Rain developing late tonight. Light rain possible anytime after 4 p.m. It'll be light and spotty by then, maybe just drizzle in a few areas. Rain's going to pick up, and it's likely to get heavier after about 2 or 3 in the morning. So early tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 40s. Widespread heavy rain, though, early on. And then colder air moves in from north to south. So this is mid-morning tomorrow, 10 a.m. At this point, still above freezing, Detroit, Ann Arbor, and south, but we're seeing that change over to freezing rain or sleet. But areas farther north could be in the 20s by about 10 or 11 a.m. So even before noon, some icy roads are going to be possible. Those wet surfaces could freeze, and especially areas north of Detroit by midday around lunch hour tomorrow. Once we get into the late day, that's we're talking about some freezing rain. There may be some icing mixed with some sleet, and then the best chance of accumulating snow is going to be later in the day, after 5 p.m. through about midnight, maybe 2 in the morning, Thursday night and Friday, and that's when we could have accumulating snow, enough to shovel. But the biggest headline here is that roads are going to be fine in the morning. Roads get icy by the middle of the day, even as the precip gets a little bit lighter and spottier around lunch hour. But best chance of accumulating snow is going to be when a lot of us are getting back home Thursday evening, and then Friday's just colder but drier, 22 for the high. Will warm up through the weekend, still 25 Saturday, but up to